All right, we just picked up this Honda XR80r. It's a 2000. You ready to learn how to use a clutch?
Yeah.
All right, let's get her done. All right, here she is, the XR80r. It's a 2000. We got this because it has a clutch, and my oldest is interested in learning how to ride a dirt bike with a clutch. He's 8 years old, almost 9, right? Yeah, so, all right, you want to fire her up. So it's just a kickstart. So you got a Kickstarter right there. Nice. So we kind of I demonstrated a little bit how to do it. So you gotta pull in the clutch, remember? And then shift it down into first. And you gotta slowly let out the clutch while giving it some gas. Not too much gas, there you go. There you go, slowly. You hear it starting to engage? Okay, not too much, not too much. Slow, there you go. Hey, you got it, nice, first time. Woohoo! Nice job. I said it was gonna take him 20 times to learn. All right, come over here and pull in the clutch. Pull in the clutch and apply the brake. You did it your first time. What do you think? Oh, there you go. It's all right. So you gotta make sure you pull in the clutch. How do you feel about that one?
I felt really nervous trying to do it the first time. Like, this is my first time actually.
I know.
I didn't actually do this off camera. This is really my first time doing it.
You did good. Want to practice a little more?
Sure.
All right. We got to hold in the clutch when to stop, okay? That's good. How do you like it so far?
Yeah.
Should we take her to the road?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Nice job.
Thanks.
I'll turn her off quick. So what do you think about driving this dirt bike with a clutch?
It's really fun.
Did you shift in second and third?
Yeah.
Nice.
I shift in second.
Shift in second, nice. So, well, it's fun learning how to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's much faster than all my other dirt bikes.
So it seems definitely a lot faster than his semi-automatic TTR 90 or the CRF 70. So yeah, it's kind of a nice upgrade, hey?
Yeah.
You have fun? Want to keep riding it some more?